Hello everyone, my name is Rani Sakinatul Anjani, my number 30. Blood moon. A blood moon is the popular name for a total lunar eclipse, a celestial event where the moon turns a deep reddish color. This phenomenon occurs when the earth passes directly between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. What causes a blood moon? A blood moon's striking color is a result of Rayleigh scattering, the same scientific principle that makes Earth sky appear blue and or sunrise and sunset red. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is completely within the Earth's darkest shadow, known as the umbra. However, it does not disappear from view. Instead, the only sunlight reaching the moon is passed through Earth's atmosphere. As the sunlight filters through our atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths of light are scattered away. The longer red and orange wavelengths pass through get being refracted and are projected onto the moon's surface. The process gives the moon its characteristic crimson glow. The exact shade of red can vary depending on atmospheric conditions such as the amount of dust, volcanic ash, or cloud in Earth air. Viewing a blood moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, a blood moon is entirely safe to observe by the naked eye. No special equipment is needed, though binoculars or a telescope can provide a more detailed view of the lunar surface during the event. The best conditions for viewing are clear, cloudless sky and a location with minimal light pollution. Historical and cultural significance. For centuries before the scientific explanation was widely understood, blood moons were often viewed as omens. Different cultures interpreted the event in various ways, from signs of divine anger to celestial battles. In some historical accounts, like that of Christopher Columbus, knowledge of a coming lunar eclipse was even used to manipulate people. However, today a blood moon is celebrated as a predictable and beautiful astronomical event, a stunning reminder of the mechanism of our solar system. For centuries, a total lunar eclipse or blood moon has been a source of fascination, fear, and wonder, inspiring a rich tapestry of myths and folklore across different cultures. Before modern science offered an explanation for the moon's sudden change in color, people developed stories to make sense of the celestial event, often viewing it as an omen or a supernatural occurrence. The moon under attack. One of the most common myths is that a celestial creature is attacking or devouring the moon. This belief often leads to rituals designed to scare the monster away and save the moon. In South America, the Inca believed a lunar eclipse was caused by a jaguar attacking and eating their moon clothes, Mamaquilla. The red color was thought to be the moon's blood. To frighten the jaguar away, people would shout, bang drums, and encourage their dogs to howl. Chinese cultures believed a dragon was beating the moon. To save it, people would make loud noise by banging drums and ringing bells. This belief was so deeply ingrained that in the 19th century, The Chinese Navy would even fire its artillery during a lunar eclipse. India. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu is said to swallow the moon as revenge. Rahu was decapitated by the god Vishnu, but because he had already consumed the nectar of immortality, his heat became immortal. During an eclipse, his heat devours the moon, but since he has no body, the moon soon reappears. Omens of misfortune. In many cultures, a blood moon was seen as a bad omen, a sign of impending disaster, war, or famine. Mesopotamians. The ancient Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers and could predict eclipses with some accuracy. They believed a lunar eclipse was an attack on the moon, which was like to their king. To protect the king from harm, the world hate him and appoint and substitute ruler to face the potential word of the gods. After the eclipse passed, the real king would resume his position. Biblical prophecy. In Christianity, the blood moon is a trend that gained modern popularity from religious prophecies. Passages in the Old and New Testaments describe the moon turning to blood as a sign of the end times or the great and terrible day of the Lord. Other common superstitions. Many superstitions and folk beliefs persist today, often passed down through generations despite a lack of scientific evidence. Pregnancy and health. In various cultures, it is believed that a lunar eclipse can be harmful to pregnant women and their unborn children. Superstitions include avoiding going outdoors, using sharp objects, or eating to prevent birth defects or other health problems. Food and water contamination. Some traditions hold that food and water become poisoned or impure during a lunar eclipse and shall not be consumed. Bad luck. The event is often linked to general bad luck, misfortune, or natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. While since he explained the beauty of a blood moon, the myths and traditions remain a fascinating part of human history, reflecting our encounters as to understand and find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos.